മോർണിംഗ്. അപ്പോൾ ടുഡേ നമ്മൾ RL സർക്യൂട്ടിൻ്റെ DC റെസ്പോൺസാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ RL സീരീസ് സർക്യൂട്ട്, അതിൽ ഇൻഡക്റ്റൻസ് L, ആ ഇൻഡക്ടർ ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഈ സർക്യൂട്ടിലെ കറണ്ട് ഇൻസ്റ്റൻറ്റേനിയസ് ആയിട്ട് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യില്ല. സോ എ വോൾട്ടേജ് ഈസ് അപ്ലൈഡ് ടു ദ സർക്യൂട്ട് അറ്റ് എ ടൈം t is equal to 0. So what is the expression for current when t is greater than 0? ഇതാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. അപ്പോൾ അറ്റ് t is equal to 0 സ്വിച്ച് ഈസ് ക്ലോസ്ഡ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പം നമ്മൾ ഇൻഡക്ടർ ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ t equal to 0 മൈനസിൽ എന്താണോ സ്ഥിതി, അതേ സ്ഥിതി t equal to 0യിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. സോ അറ്റ് t is equal to 0 മൈനസ് ഇൻഡക്ടറിലെ കറണ്ട് IL of 0 മൈനസ് അത് 0 ആണ്, കാരണം ഇൻഡക്ടർ ഓപ്പൺ ആണ്. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 0. Therefore, IL of 0 is also equal to 0. At the time of closing the switch, the current in the circuit is 0 because the inductor remains open even at t is equal to 0 when the switch is closed. ഇനി നമുക്ക് for t greater than 0, gradually the inductor will start to conduct. That means at a t greater than 0, a current is flowing in the circuit, and that current is denoted as I of t. In order to find I of t, first we will find I of s, and then we will take the inverse Laplace transform and find I of t. So we will draw the S domain circuit. V of t is replaced by V of s, R remains R, L is changed to Ls, I of t is transformed to I of s. So writing the KVL equation, we get I of s is equal to V of s by R plus Ls. Okay. I of t is equal to R plus I of s is equal to V by S into R plus Ls. Now, we have to be careful that the second factor R plus Ls, it should be of the form S plus a constant, S plus A. So, we have to take the coefficient of S outside, that is L. Taking L outside, we get V by L divided by S into S plus R by L. Now you can change this into partial fraction, that is A by S plus B by S plus R by L. Okay. Now by applying the method of residue, you get the constants A and B as V by L and V by R and minus V by R. Now substituting, we get I of s is equal to V by R minus V by R into 1 by S plus R by L. Okay. That is I of s. Taking V by R outside, which is a common factor, V by R into 1 by S minus 1 by S plus R by L. Now it is very easy to take the inverse and get I of t, because we know the Laplace inverse of 1 by S is 1 and 1 by S plus A is e raised to minus at. So applying that, we get I of t equal to V by R into 1 minus e raised to minus R by L t. Now just put t equal to 0 and t equal to infinity to get the initial and final condition. Initial condition we already know, the inductor current was 0. If you put t equal to 0 also, you will get the same. What happens when t tend to infinity, that is at steady state, the inductor will conduct smoothly and acts as a short circuit, and the current is obtained as V by R. So in the graph you can see that the current is rising from 0 to V by R. So this is the DC response of an RL circuit.